not. Here we can buy or not. This point. Because we see here, the pink line golden cross the green line. Buy or not? Yes. Small. We should see the volume. The volume increase or not? Increase or not? Here, the volume increase or not? Here we don't know the, then we see here, never close. This close, we buy or not? We should see the volume increase or not. The volume decrease, so we cannot buy, okay? So we should see the volume, look at the volume. Volume is very important for us, okay? So we should follow this method. Then we see another one. This share, Jaya Holding. Jaya Holding is quite strong. Then we see, okay, we see this share. So which point is a good buy point? So here buy or not? Here we buy. Then maybe we buy here because we see this one. Close or not? Close and volume increase. So if we buy, we can earn some little money. But when can I buy again? We should see the purple line up and below the red line. We can buy again, okay? So this is the method. Then we see this one. When we see here, the pink line that cross the purple line is another sell point, okay? So this is the dragon turning over. We should see the web summary. This strategy is used to help you determine whether the short or medium-term retracement. So we should pay attention here. Then we can see here, dragon turning over. We should combine with the homely rainbow. If the price is above the white line, it tells us that the dragon turning over is better for us, okay? So we see this summary. A medium-term retracement generally lasts for at least a few months. You may enhance the effectiveness of the strategy by combining it with homely rainbow. The success rate is higher if price is above homely white rainbow lines. When red MCD break up purple line. Otherwise, if price is below homely white rainbow lines, price will not advance much, even if red MCD is present. Okay, we see here. This share, we can see the price is above the white lines. It tells us that when we see the dragon turning over come out, it's good buy point. So here we can buy. Here we also can buy. Here we also can buy. We have the buy point, 3 buy point. Okay. Then we see here. The price is below white lines, right? Below white line. Then we see here upward breakthrough. Then we see here the purple line is below the red clamp. So here buy or not? You can buy, but you should do short-term investment because the price is below the white line. Okay, so we should combine with homely rainbow. Then we can enhance our success rate. Okay. So can you understand? About this method, do you have any question? This method, dragon turning over. Okay, if you don't have any question, I give you some examples, then you can tell me when to buy, when to sell, okay? So this share, which point is we combine with the homely rainbow? This is homely position. Okay. Then we see here, this point buy or not. Here we buy or not. Because you already learned this method, you already knew this method. So can you tell me here can buy or not?
Yes.
Why? Okay, close and volume increase, but do short term or long term? Why? Below the white line, but we see the white line. The price upward break, the price is above the white line, but we can see the white line flat or up. Flat. Okay, we only do short-term investment. Then when can you buy again? We see another one. Tuanxing recently also very strong, right? Okay, so if you never buy the share, which point is the good, another good buy point? I'll give you an example. Wait. Here, buy or not? If you don't have the share, you see this pattern. You follow the multicolor dragon and homely rainbow and volume. So here we buy or not? This point we buy or not? Some members still scared because too high already. Scared. Okay, follow this method. You buy or not? Buy. Okay. Then you still okay. So here, if you never buy here, here buy or not? Here we buy or not? Wait. Buy or not? If you buy, then down. Sell or not? Because still above, right? Maybe this is for the retracement. Okay, we still wait. Okay. So here we buy or not? So large bullish candlestick. And over here we buy or not? This point.
The volume is there.
Buy or not? Maybe here you can buy, but for short term because the red MCD below 50. If you see the red MCD below 50, you should do short-term investment. But if you see the red MCD is above 50, you should do medium-term investment. Okay. So here maybe you buy, then this day you see this share. Okay. Then another day you buy. Maybe you buy 0.73. So during this point, buy or not, earn money or not, small money, but only for short-term investment. Okay. Then which point is another buy point? If you never follow the multicolor dragon, so last time I taught you method, which point is another buy point? Maybe half of the candlestick, or you can see the red clamp above again, you can buy. Okay, then now we still can wait and see. So you already learned this method. Then we can see the next one, called dragon flying high. We like these words because dragon flying high, it tells us that we can earn fast money, okay? So this strategy is used to help you determine whether price of the stock is in the advanced stage of acceleration. The advanced stage is also the most steady and safest, as the banker is fully focused on advanced price. So we see like this. So this is the banker operation chart. Maybe you learned this before. So maybe the price down, then sideways, then up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so we see here, this period, so we call it collect chips, okay? Then if the banker collect chips, then we are push up, then retracement. Because the banker should watch out the retail investors. Then maybe some people see here, down again. So down to here again. Maybe you will sell out your shares. Then if you sell, banker can buy the cheaper chips. They can push up the price. Then we see this point. This is so many words. Okay, so let's see. Before the banker reaches the advanced stage, he has already completed many rounds of work to accumulate chips. Test the market. So this is the test, okay? And initiate the first rally and retrace and consolidate. By this stage, the banker has already weeded out weak players and cleared all resistance, obstructing his plan to advance the stock price. So with no more resistance, he is essentially in total control of the stock and will carry out the advanced stage of price acceleration. As much, price will show an obvious acceleration, volume will increase, and the trend becomes steeper. So we see this share. We see this one. So we see here. Then the price down, right? Down the chips is very cheap. Okay, then down again or not? Down or not? Not yet. Okay, because down now is sideways. Okay, so maybe banker collect the cheaper chips. Then up. So up again is the testing. Okay, so testing, then price go down. So maybe the retail investors, they will sell here. Okay, then the banker collect the chips again. So we see here. The price is testing, then retracement and the price is like this, up and down, up and down. Okay, so maybe the banker collect the chips. If the price upward breaks through this point, the banker really push out the price. Okay, so you see the share is very strong. So maybe you can buy. Okay, so now we see here. This share is very interesting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-day small drop, right? Okay, we see the candle. This belongs to the short-term retracement. Okay, then one can buy in, one can buy again. Wait, okay, because you know when to buy. Okay, so remember this. Then we can see the MCD. In the first situation, read MCD goes above 50% and continues to increase. Yellow MCD decrease and purple line and pink line part and move separate ways. What's that meaning? So we see here. The purple line golden cross the pink line and the red climb is more than 50. Then the purple line up, the pink line down, then separate. So here is good for us, okay? Then we see another one. Second situation, red MCD reaches almost 100% or at least 75% and continues to remain at this high level. Green MCD totally disappears. Yellow MCD first below 10% and purple line and pink line moves further and further away from each other. So this is the dragon flying high. So we see this one. Dragon flying high. So can you tell me which point is the dragon flying high? Which period? Okay, we see here. Here golden cross or not?
Yes.
Here golden cross. And the red MCD more than 50. Then the pink line and the green line, the pink line and the purple line separate further and further. Okay, so here is the dragon flying high. So you should pay attention because during this period, jobs go up so fast. Okay, so you should prepare. Then we see this shirt. This shirt Jason holding very strong, right? Quite strong. And we can see the multicolor dragon still above the 50% or above the 70%. Okay, we see here. We can see here. Here, golden cross right, then separate, and here, separate again and further. So it tells us that here belongs to dragon flying high. Then we can see the multicolor dragon still above 75. It's very good, okay? Then we see this here. Jason holding. Okay, we see this share. This share is quite strong. But if you learned this method, you should know when can buy again. So here we buy or not? Okay, a little bit. Then here, buy or not? Also can buy, right? Here buy or not? Yes. We have so many buy points. So you can catch the good strong share, bullish bull share. Okay, then here, buy or not? This point. Also can buy, okay? Don't hesitate, you buy again, okay? So now can buy or not? Now is retracement. So we can see the red climb is still above the 75. So one can buy again. When we see the purple line up and below the red climb again, it's good for us to buy. And we also should see the volume, okay? So it is the good buy point. Then we see next one. So we see here, this share is also strong. Then we see this one. This is the daily chart. We can see the multicolor dragon red MCD is more than 75. Okay. Then here, golden cross. Okay, we see this share. So we see here. Sideways for a long time, very long time, okay? Then during this period, you should wait, okay? So here, buy or not? Here buy or not? The three conditions. The first condition, purple line up or not?
Yes.
Yes. And below the red clamp, volume increase or not?
Yes.
Yes. And the candlestick is high, is bullish, large bullish candlestick. So here buy or not?
Halfway.
If you follow MCD multicolor dragon, buy or not?
Buy.
Buy. Okay. Then you buy, maybe tomorrow you buy at this price 0.375. Okay. Then if you buy earn small money, now it's 0.39. Okay. So if you never buy, when can buy again? Until the purple line up again. Okay, because now there is no volume, but they should have chance or not? Still have chance because the red clamp is above 75. Okay, then we can wait and see. Then we see another one, dragon flying high. So this is the daily chart. We also can see this is very strong share. Then we see here, the red clamp is above 75. Okay, then the purple line and the pink line go further again. So it's another buy point. So it tells us that during this period, this belongs to dragon flying high. Okay, we see this share. This share is quite strong. Here, buy or not?
Buy.
Buy, okay? If you buy, earn money or not? You buy here, 0.685. Now it's already 0.785. Good or not? Maybe you buy 10 long. You can earn almost $1,000. It's very good, right? Then we see another day. Now, can buy or not? Cannot. We just wait and see, okay? Because this period belongs to dragon flying high. We should pay attention. Okay. Then we see this one. Dragon flying high. So the purple line, the red clamp is above 50. It's good for us. Okay. So here is the good buy point. Trade in sync. We see this share. So we can see so many strong shares. This share create a new high or not? Already create a new high. Okay, so we see here create a new high. Then whether can buy or not, we should see the red clamp. The red clamp is still above the 50, and we can see here. So here we buy or not? This point. This point we buy or not? You buy here, maybe 0.825. Now it's already 0.83. Cannot earn right because you still can wait and see. Okay, so you should catch the strong shares. Then we see notes. It's a myth to believe that risk patterns with the increase of red MCD. In fact, when red MCD increase, price will advance for a longer period of time. The advance is more stable and risk is lower. So we should see the red MCD. If the red MCD increase, is better for us. So maybe we see here. We see this share, K1 Venture. Okay, this share is also very strong. Then we see this one. So now combine or not? Cannot. But we see this one. I hope you can learn this method. So here we buy or not? But gap and up and rise sharply. So here we buy or not? Maybe most of us scared because too high. But you follow this method, buy or not?
Buy.
Buy, okay? So if you buy, you still can hold, okay? So you buy here 0.175. Now 0.205, you can earn money. We should earn money, okay, in the stock market. If you always lose money in the stock market, so you should pay attention to your method. Maybe your method is wrong, okay? So now still wait when to buy again, when can buy again until the rate climb up and the purple line up again. Is another buy point. Then we see next one. This share is also very strong, home folk. Okay, then we see here retracement. So here buy or not? We see this share. Strong share. Okay, we see here. Here we buy or not? Maybe you buy at this point 0.79 or 775. Then you buy. Then hold. Okay, so here we can see the red climb is below the purple line. It tells us that the share will retracement. Okay, so retracement again. If you have this share, sell or not? Because bankers still get in. If you never buy, here buy or not? Okay, we see here. Buy or not? Still can buy. Okay, we wait. Then now retracement again. Here buy or not? Can buy again. Okay. So now can buy or not? Now can buy or not? Now cannot buy, okay? But if we see another day the purple line up again and below the red climb and volume increase, we can buy again. Now we just wait and see. So during this period, dragon flying sky, because we can combine with the homely rainbow, still above the white lines. So if you see the dragon flying high appears, and you also can buy, okay? Catch the good buy point. Okay, we see the notes. In general, MCD is only viewed on daily chart, but because stock price swings up and down, if you want to reduce distractions and hold on firmly to strong bullish stocks, it may help to look at longer duration chart. When stock is in the advanced stage, from the weekly or monthly chart, as long as red MCD doesn't fall below 75%, the advanced stage is still intact. However, please note that you must not rely on weekly or monthly MCD chart to trade. Last time we told you that MCD is suitable for daily chart, right? If you want to do trade, daily chart is better for us. But we also can use weekly chart or monthly chart. But we can see it's different, right? Because we can see the monthly chart, the multicolor dragon still inside and can continue. Okay, so we see next one. MCD doesn't continue in daily chart because down, then up again, down, then up again, cannot continue, okay? But we see this is the monthly chart. MCD always above 99% in monthly chart, okay? So we see this share. This share is Valuetronics. Then we see here, this one, the multi-color dragon still above the almost 99%. So it tells us that maybe during the daily chart we can hold because monthly chart is good. Then we see here, the market quotation will end when profit trips is less than 75% in monthly chart. Then we see here, during this period, we can see 75 is here. Then this day, the price, the multicolor dragon, below 75. But this is the monthly chart, below 75. So it tells you that maybe the market quotation will end. So maybe here another day, another month you sell, then you can avoid some risk. Okay?
What is the meaning of the market quotation will end?
Means the price and the trend will be reversed. Okay? The trend will be reversed. So we see some stocks. We use monthly. This is monthly chart. Then we can see another one. This one, we see another one. Okay, we see this one. Strong or not? Strong, okay. So we see here. We can see the 75. We can see the 75. So we see here, this day, this month, the price is below the 75 and the green color appears. So it tells us that maybe the trend will be reversed. But I suggest that you'd better not see